The R+T Park is the place where business and research and university all come together.
In the partnership, the opportunity for people to come together and tackle really complex problems with research-driven initiatives. It's 120 acres, about 1 million square feet and growing of office space for tech companies and other research-focused companies to partner with the University of Waterloo and co-locate beside the largest pool of talent in the region.
When I think about the R+T Park, I think of top talent, not just in Canada, but in North America.
Every company is in a hot competition around the world for the best minds to come and help them build the best products. It's a pretty rare opportunity as a business to be able to locate right on campus.
Talent is a huge thing in Waterloo region, and keeping talent focused on creating really innovative businesses. There is nowhere in the world that has better entrepreneurial talent than the University of Waterloo.
We really are synonymous with innovation, and that has led to growth of Waterloo and really positioning us on the map to be a prominent force in technology.
People across the team inside of Tex now were able to work together on something and play against other companies here. And this is what makes our culture unique and special.
The R+T Park isn't just a place to come and do your job and go home. There's lots of things that are happening here that create community, that bring you out of your buildings, that encourage interaction and innovation.
The R+T Park participates in a range of social events, from beer gardens to food trucks coming out.
Our office is located next to the rail transit, and it's great for people. They don't have to use their cars.
It's also close to walking trails. There's some nature areas that people can enjoy when they're on their breaks.
The community that's here is passionate about how do we tackle things like climate change.
We are very proud to be a part of Involve One building here in the R+T Park. When you walk into this building, you can see lots of plants here, and it's just a different vibe.
The park is designed and managed to enable that kind of better together mentality.
And it's a real mix of academia, of students, of startups, of nonprofits, of government, of university work.
We are able to draw on the brightest minds in the universities that we have surrounding us. It's an amazing place for businesses.